going to design a paragraph of type. And the way we need to do, before we do that, we need to set up our guidelines. This is weird. Lauren Ibsen is written over here, so I'm going to go ahead and delete that. We don't need that. And our guides, we're going to pull a guide from the top at 2 inches, and then another guide, and it's going to be about a 1/4 inch from the right. Then we're going to use this little note down at the bottom by her, on her shoulder, and I'm double clicking it, but it's not showing, so I need to go to Window, Notes, and then we can see it. And it looks like, is this it down here? Where did the note go? There it is. And it says the trend cast, what's hot, designers interviews, and so on. So I'm going to select it all. Command, we'll just select it. Command C to copy it, and I need to paste it. And I'm going to use my guides to paste it. So I'm going to go from the right down. First I need to make my guides. It doesn't want to. Oh, it's stuck on the notes. So I'm going to copy that. Then I'm going to click on to the text tool and drag from the right down to the lower left corner, and then press Command V to paste it. And we have the following settings that we need to change. First, we're going to start on the top, the trend cast, and let's see what they want. Using our characters window, so here's our characters. We don't need the sticky note anymore. I'm going to get rid of that. And we're going to have a font size of 70. Make sure to only select the trend cast. The leading, now we're changing the leading, which is the double A with the double arrow going up and down. And the leading is now 55, and the tracking is -50. Our color is still going to be white. So that's the first changes that we're making. The second change is for the rest of the text. It's from what's hot to scripts and font. We're also choosing Myriad Pro. I didn't specify that earlier. So Myriad Pro. Font is going to be regular. Our font size is 22. Our leading is 28. And our tracking is going to be 0. And there it is. Make sure to save your work.